Hey guys, it's Athena Deal here, and today, boom, new me boy. I got this jacket at Catherine's, and yeah, I'm going to go outside and film outside. Okay, it didn't work. I gotta get my shoes on. Yeah. This is all snotty boogers. Okay, let me get it out. Hold on. Okay, I'm finished. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go outside and show you something very sad happened. Something very sad happened, and I want you to know that it actually did happen, and I'm gonna show you so you can believe me. And just to let you know, my cat, you met him before, Mythos. He killed a bluebird. Now it's not a blue jay, it's a bluebird. Bluebirds are very shy, and they're like a purple blue, and they don't have stripes on their wings, like blue jays do. And also they don't have that spike of hair on their head. So I'm gonna show you one, but the sad thing is he killed one. I'm gonna show you. Poor little bluebird. Poor little bluebirdie. See that blue thing? This thing right here? That's a bluebird. Hold on. Let me move him with my stick here. Wait, his eyes. I need a stick. I think a stick's way better because those are floppy. Ooh, I'll just use this one. Yep, he's no longer alive. Yep. Yep, he's not breathing. Okay, it's kind of hard to show, but here he is. See that brown and blue thing? That's a bluebird right there. That's a bluebird. I feel so bad for that little bluebird. It's really sad. I wish my cat didn't kill him. I wish he killed a blue jay. Some mean birds. Here, I'm gonna put it in the shade so you could see it better. I just have to kick him around, I guess. Okay. It's okay, little birdie. I feel so bad for the little bird. I wish he didn't even die. I wish Mythos didn't even think to kill a bluebird like him. Ow! Oh, stick in the ground. There's a wormy! I found a wormy! Wormy, come on and get the wormy. Come on, get the wormy. And I gotta get the hell. And I'm with no mail. And I'm with no mail. And I'm with no mail. Okay. Why are we on these many pizzas? Hey, you shall Paul. Get out your keys. This song is ours. Come on, let Sean Paul get involved. He's so soft to kick around. I'm not kicking him like aggressively, like, yeah. I'm not doing that. I'm like lightly kicking him over into the shade. I don't want to pick him up because he carries germs around in his body. Yeah, he carries germs. And his feet look so cool. His feet look awesome. Hopefully I don't break any of his bones. Is he opening his eyes? I think he is. No, he's not. I just accidentally moved him. Yeah, he's completely dead. Okay, come on. He fell down the hill very quickly. That's what happened. Oh. Okay, I just kick him this way. I'm trying to give you, it's okay? But this poor little birdie. You can give us 50 cents a day. 50 cents a day to save these little blue birds. So sad. Ugh. Okay, I gotta get in the shade so you guys can see my face and see the bird better. And feel bad. What's a poor little birdie? Come on. Helping it with a stick. Wait. Looks like he's looking at me, but he's not. I feel like I'm gonna break his neck or his wing off, but I'm not. He's just wiggly and he's not controlling any of his body parts because he's dead. Come on. Okay. I gotta get all the way over there. So I'm not too far away. I'm not so far away. Okay. Just flip, then flip. Flip, then flip. Come on, flip. Okay. It's okay. I feel so bad. This little birdie, you don't think I do, but I do. I actually do feel bad. I do. I do feel bad for this little birdie. Okay. Just get him in the shade over here, right there. Oh, come on. It's okay. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep saying, it's okay. I don't know why I keep doing that. I think I'm just trying to sound innocent. Okay, so there's the bird. I'm proving it. That's a bird. That's a bluebird. He doesn't